Today, we will be learning about the scientific method. So, an intro to the scientific method is it's a structured process for investigating questions and testing ideas. It involves making observations, forming a hypothesis, designing experiments, and analyzing results to draw conclusions. Number 1, the scientific method. How to form a hypothesis? Well, what is a hypothesis? It is a testable prediction that links cause and effect. It formulates a clear and a falsifiable statement. It's used to guide experimental design and determine what data to collect. It's usually in the format of if then. Variables overview. There's an independent variable and a dependent variable. The independent variable is the factor you change, and the dependent variable is the measured outcome. Maintain controls and constants to ensure valid results. What are controls and constants, you ask? Well, controls are things that are there as the normal in the experiment. And then constants are things that stay the same in the experiments. So, procedure steps. You first outline stepwise actions. Observe, question, research, and then form a hypothesis. Then you design an experiment, collect data, analyze results, and draw conclusions. You repeat it and refine it as needed. So, what is experimental design? There's the independent variable, which is what you deliberately change in an experiment. You choose one IV to test at a time and vary it across conditions to assess its effect. Then you have the dependent variable, which is the measurable outcome affected by the IV. Record it constantly using clear units and measurement methods. Then you have the conclusion. Summarize whether data supports the hypothesis and note limitations. State implications, suggest improvements, and propose next experiments. However, before conclusions, you need to focus on the controls and constants as well. Controls are comparisons that lack the IV. And then constants remain the same across trials. Use both to isolate the IV's effects and reduce confounding factors. All right, that's all for today. Thank you for watching, and remember to keep learning.